Do you enjoy Pikliz, or commonly known as Haitian coleslaw, and have been dying to learn how to make your own? In this video, we're going to show you how to make easily this traditional Haitian dish, Pikliz. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmay, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you are new to our channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, and share our videos with friends and family. And also don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated on all our new content. You can find any of the links that I mentioned in this video, to include the recipe, in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. Is by using a potato peeler, one of these, and you can just shred the cabbage like this. It works pretty good, except for sometimes you have to take off the long leaves, but it shreds it really thin. And we'll continue to do this until our cabbage is shredded. But as you can see, you get nice thin consistency with this. What you want to do now is you want to prepare your carrots. You want to shred your carrots. What I did is I washed the carrots, and then I'm going to use the potato peeler to actually shred them into long, thin slices. Now for my 3 tips for making spicy and flavorful pikliz. Tip number 1. Pikliz is useful for cutting through the greasiness of fried foods like griot, fried pork, tasso, fried beef, or bonnet pesé, fried plantains. Tip number 2. Some may prefer a simpler version by leaving out some of the ingredients we use today, like the sweet peppers, the red cabbage, or the lime. But remember that it does take 1 to 2 days for the vinegar to pick up all the flavors. Tip number 3. Like most pickles, pikliz will keep for weeks in the refrigerator. Stored covered and refrigerated, pikliz will last for at least 3 weeks, if not longer. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet. Please don't forget to purchase the book on Amazon and come back to our channel often, as we'll be posting different techniques and discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.